Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your notification settings on the Temu app, how you can change your settings. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to simply we have to click on the Temu app, and after clicking on that, as you can see now, simply this is the aid. Now simply we have to go to the me section. So I'm going to click on the me section here. And now as you can see now simply we are here. What we have to do, we have to click on this settings icon, and after clicking on the settings icon, as you can see you will be able to see the notifications option here. So we have to click on the notifications option, and now simply as you can see now simply you have to provide the contact number here if you want to add that. And after that, as you can see, the promotion message, if you want to get the promotion message, if you want to get the promotion messages, as you can see, through WhatsApp, email, SMS, these are provided. This is currently off, and the order updates are currently on. Push email, if you want to edit this, you have to click on the edit. If you want to make it on or off, you can also do that. And as you can see, the customer activities report and avatar and username sharing, if you want to edit this, if you want to show this, you can also do that. So these all settings are provided here. You just have to customize them. You can adjust them as per your needs. So in this way you can edit the notification settings on the Temu app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.